You are contesting the aspiring Member of Parliament.
The Prime Minister of Bunyoro-Kitara Kingdom, Oweekitiibwa Andrew Byakutaga, who officiated the function, expressed gratitude to the President, Kingdom officials, dignitaries and general public for contributing to a successful 31st Coronation anniversary.
Ngoza kumaliza ate nsiima abatukonyeera bandi kora omukoro guno waito extinguisher President Mao Mugo omunteekaniza eno y'okujaguza emyaka 31 akabamu emikolo endala akozere nkomuzaano gwa golf ogwabaire Masindi Golf Club kandi nikuteekaniza Masindi Golf Club Kabalega Resort na National Forest Authority tukubasiima munabo enteekaniza egi tukaba n'okuyiruka kwateekanizibwa hano omuhoima okuyiruka tuweta empango run kandi sente zikuruga mu kuyiruka omwo zijagura ekyoma ekikebera kansa ekigenda mu irwaro lya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital nkakabumba nkuyatulagire tukolege buli mwaka.
Bishop Jacob Ateiruweho of the Bunyoro-Kitara Diocese thanked the President for his support towards spreading the word of God in the region. He also informed him about efforts to amplify gospel outreach through radio programs run by the diocese.
Waitu ekitiinisa kyenu kankikumanyise Bunyoro-Kitara Diocese tukusiima waitu ebikulu byotukoliire abo obwire byonti ndabimaleyo kyokka ati tutandikira omulamwa ogw'okugula rediyo eya Bunyoro-Kitara abo kutebeza enjiri kandi hamuno kurarangya enjiri yenkuraakurana iyo wenke iwatandikire abantu ntubekambisa kora na mani kubyara omwani kubyara kooko n'ebindi waitu ikize milioni 200 tukurwayo milioni 400 habugora rediyo ekyo waitu ekitiinisa ninkusaba otukonyere otukwatireho Mukama akuwa omugisa. Amin.
While addressing the people of Bunyoro, President Museveni congratulated Omukama Gafabusa Iguru on reaching this significant milestone. He also extended his heartfelt wishes for the Omukama's recovery, noting his current health condition, and urged the public to continue praying for the king's well-being.
I want to congratulate His Highness Omukama Iguru on the 31st anniversary of his coronation. I'm, however, sorry to find that he's sick. I called on him because we should continue to pray for him.
President Museveni reiterated that cultural institutions should steer clear of political matters, emphasizing that their key role is to safeguard indigenous languages and cultural heritage with support from the government.
So that's why we said the kingdoms should not mix with the political issues. Let the people elect their leaders, but the cultural leaders have a role.
He also elaborated on why the NRM government chose to restore kingdoms in Uganda, underlining that they play an important role in supporting government programs.
One reason I supported the restoration of the kingdoms was that one. Who will look after our very strong culture, which produced a very strong people who could survive all these problems we had. The culture, apart from marriage, also includes food and other things, and equipment.
The President expressed his happiness with the performance and cooperation of the traditional kingdoms across the country.
So therefore, I'm very happy with the kingdom, the way we have moved. We have never had problem with the kingdom of Bunyoro. There are some other people who try to mix with politics. That we say, no, go back to your role. Therefore, those 4 areas, language, food, some of the customs which are rational, and finally socio-economic action. And that's why we gave them the properties which the Muhikiro was talking about, the former local government properties, the Amasaza, Magombora land. You use these to generate income to do that additional work to whatever the government is doing.
This year's coronation marked a return to Karuziika Palace for the celebrations, moving away from the kingdom chambers where previous events had been held. It is worth noting that since 2019, Omukama Gafabusa has not personally attended the coronation ceremonies due to ill health. Omukama Iguru ascended to the throne in 1994 and has served as the reigning king of Bunyoro-Kitara Kingdom since then. He is the 49th Omukama of all and the 27th under the Babito lineage, the 3rd dynasty to rule over Bunyoro.
akarura k'omukuru webale kwijja Your Excellency kisemerirwe muno.
Emenda Kitara inywena tuoleke okusemererwa n'omuhimbo hali owekitinisa President n'aturuka mu motoka engalo z'amaani emizira. Webale muno owekitinisa President habw'okwijja okuba naitwe kandi okuba omugenyi mukuru